Hi everyone! Today we're gonna react to Math with Mr. Muglia. So we're gonna watch 3 of his videos and I'm gonna rate them out of 20. And I'm just gonna react and I'm also going to shout out Mr. Muglia because he's my teacher. But let's react to it.
Hi guys, it's Mr. Media here. We have a question that some of my students were struggling in the maths lesson today, which is 4 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 16. And they're asking you to work out.
By the way, sorry for pausing, but this is my channel will not be a math channel. It's just me just reacting to stuff. Yep. I'm still gonna do gaming videos, but I'm just like reacting as well. So like some videos will be like reacting and some videos will be gaming. Okay, let's go back to watching.
The value of x. Before we start doing this question, we need to use the index law, which is a to the power of negative n, which is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. Okay, so we are using this law that we are going to apply to work out the values of x. So where do we start? Well, we can look at it as 4 to the power of x and 1 over 16
By the way, he's not my math teacher, he's just my tutor. So okay, let's go back to sorry for pausing.
can be written as 16 to the power of negative 1. And 16 can be written as 4 squared. So I'm going to do my substitution. So I'm replacing 16 with 4 squared. So we have 4 squared to the power of minus 1. And then I'm going to apply another index law, which is a to the power of x in bracket y, that is same thing as a to the power of xy. So our final answer would be 4 to the power of minus 2. Therefore, x must be equal to negative 2. Okay, so this was the question that some of my students were struggling in the class because they cannot recall the following index law, which is a to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over an, and applying this index law to. I hope you enjoy.
I'm so happy that I'm not in this grade of in class. I'm in grade 3, where it gets easier as math, but this feels like complex already. I'm so happy that I was not good that I was not in like say like 2 or 1. Because I think it'll get harder for me, so I'm just in set 3.
The quick tutorial on how to work out the value of x in this example. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye for now.
Treat yourself and your loved one with
By the way, this isn't, I don't know what else goes. Anyway,
relaxation. Book a couples massage at home.
Panadol Extra dissolves faster than regular paracetamol, providing fast relief from tough pains.
okay. So, I rate that. I'll give that a 6 out of 10. It's it's okay, but it's like too hard. I imagine I was in, but let's go to the next one.
Hi guys, it's Mr. Media here. Welcome back to my channel, which is Maps with Mr. Media. Well, anyway, so let's look at this beautiful maps question, which is we have a circle and a square, and we are trying to work out the area of the shaded region. This question was given to a year 9 class at my school, and the majority of them struggled with this kind of question. So anyway, let's crack on with the solution. So first thing first I would do, I see a circle straight away. I am going to draw my circle. And then from that circle, I'm going to identify the radius or the diameter. So they've given you the radius, which is 8, and then from there I can work out the area of the circle for now, which is pi r squared, which is pi in bracket 8 squared, which is going to give you 64 pi centimeter squared. That's what I would do first. Now my next step first, we have a square. Again, we have to visualize it. That's my favorite word in maths. Every single time you have a problem, visualize the shapes. So we have a square. The radius is given to you because the radius is 8. Therefore, the diagonal or the diameter would be 16. Okay, and I'm trying to work out the area of that square. So the area of that square right now, I'm going to call it x. So the area would be x times x, which is going to give you x squared. Beautiful questions. All right, now we're trying.
Okay, so far, the one 8a plus pi plus 2 pi equals pi 8 squared. That's difficult, but the a equals x, that equals to square 2. Okay. A little bit learned this at school in set 3, but not the complex pi plus squared, 2 squared. Okay, let's go back to watching.
To work out the value, we're trying to work out the area of that shaded region. So here is how to work out the value of x now, which is going to get, this is 16, and this is x squared, this is x, and that is x. So using Pythagoras theorem, so we have 16 squared is going to give you x squared plus x squared. Let's simplify the right hand side. That's going to give you 2x squared. Then from there, divided by 2. So that would be 16 squared over 2, which is going to give you x squared. So x squared, let's simplify this. So 16 squared using our calculator divided by 2, that's going to give you 128. Now, as you can see right now,
I thought he's a teacher. Why did he use a calculator if Mr. Muller is a teacher? He will know this. Why is he using a calculator? Can someone explain to me in the comments? I need to know. Why is Mr. Muller using a calculator? Tell me in the comments. To go back to watching.
the area of that of that square is x squared. We don't have to work out the value of x now, because all we want right now is x squared. We'll just work out the value of x squared, which is 128. Magic, isn't it? But anyway, so I want to work out the area of that shaded region now, which is going to give you 64.
Looks difficult. Like this, like 16 square equals x2 plus x squared. 16 squared equals 2x squared. Take 2 and 16 over 2 equals 6. Squared, x squared. And x squared equals 128. Looks confusing already. Let's go back to watching.
Pi, take away 128.
Are you
And then let's
serious?
just type that in our calculator. 64 pi, take away 128, which is going to give you 73.06 centimeter squared, and that's 2 decimal places, and that's how you work out. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye for now.
Okay. I rate that because it's like I'm not rating the scale of not difficult and difficult. So I changed my first on the first video. I would change that to like a 7. So before it was a 6 out of 10. Now it's a 7 out of 10. And I would change that to like 7 out of 10 because it's a little difficult. The one that I watched, the second one, I'll rate that a 8 on difficulty. Let's go see the final video that I'm watching today.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Maths with Mr. Media, where I make maths fun and easy to understand. Alright, so
Not true. That I didn't understand the last two. I don't know how. It's just too impossible. I didn't understand, Miss Amelia. If you want to make these videos like fun and cooler, don't make them complex for the children that doesn't understand algebra. Because kids can be like 5, 4, 3, like 6, 7, 8, and they will not understand algebra. Maybe 9 and 10, but 9. But just make it so not confusing for the little children who's watching this. Then, Mr. Miller, if you're watching this right now, just try and make your videos not that complex, please. Thank you. Let's go back to watching.
in this video we have 4 questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. The first 3 questions are all about 3-step linear equation, whereas the last one is a combination of 2, 3, or maybe 4-step equations. So let's look at the first one. We have 4f plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 6. To work out the value of f, we are going to solve it. When we are solving a linear equations, it's all about using the inverse operations. So at the moment, what do we have here? We have 4f plus 5 divided by 3. So the 4f plus 5, that expression is actually one term. So I'm going to introduce a bracket just to clarify that. So since they are one term, I cannot subtract 5, which means that I'm going to multiply by 3 because the inverse operation of dividing by 3 is multiplication. So we have on the left.
And by the way, sorry I didn't tell this at the start, but 1 means it's like easier for kids, and 10, it's harder for kids. Let's keep on watching.
One side now, we have 4f plus 5, 6 times 3, that would be 18. And then from there, it's your baby step now. So take away 5, both side. We have 4f, 18 take away 5, that would give you 13. And then f divided by 4, both side, divided by 4, both side. So that would be 13 divided by 4 over 4. And leave it as a fraction for now. Okay, let's look at the question on the right hand side now, where find the value of y in these equations. So what do we have? We have 3y divided by 2 take away 4 is equal to 7. Now as you can see right now, we have 3y divided by 2, and then we subtract by negative 4, we get 7. So again, this is quite different to the first equations, where 3y is just one term. So which means that I'm going to add 4 now, both sides. 3y divided by 2, 7 plus 4, that would give you 11. And then from there, times it by 2, times it by 2, because I'm dividing by 2. So the opposite or the inverse will be multiplying by 2. So what do we have? 3y is equal to 22. And then from there, we have divided by 3, which is going to give you y is going to be 22 over 3. Then leave it as a fraction for now. Okay. All right. Again, third questions. We have 5 open bracket, x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Every single time I see a bracket, for me, okay, I'm going to expand the bracket first. So what I will do, somewhere in your page, let's say I have 5 open bracket, x minus 2. I'm just going to expand that, 5x, take away 10. That's what I would do first. Oh, my pen is not working. Just bear with me. Where's my pen? Take away 10. Take away 10. It's working. Just bear with me, guys. Pen is not working. Okay. Since the pen is not working, or it should be working now. More information. Okay, so take away 10. Sorry for the delay. Alright, so 5x minus 10. Oh, that looks like 16.
Okay, so from that, I know why it was not working. Maybe he accidentally chose white. And the color of the canvas is white. You see, white. It didn't show. I mean, when he was trying to fix it, he chose gray to make it so it doesn't show here. That's my reason. Let's go back to watching.
So I'm gonna rub that off. Take away 10. Again, so my numerator would be 5x minus 10 divided by 3 is equal to 7. And from there, this is similar to the first equation that we have solved. Okay, so extend my page. So that would give you times it by 3 now, times it by 3. So we have 5x minus 10 is equal to 7 times 5. That would give you 35. Let me extend the page again. So from there, again, it's our two-step solving linear equation now. So plus 10 both side, plus 10 both side. So we have 5x is equal to 45.
How would kids reacting? How would a kid understand this complex algebra? The kid will be so confused. He will call his mom to explain this to him because you can't explain it because you explain it complexly.
Okay, and then divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5, and x is equal to 9.
How long is you explaining the place for? This is like okay. I understand this because it's like small, makes sense. I think a kid just can figure out that on his own. Second, it's okay. You don't need to expand the play page. This one we don't know if this will be hard, but this is like if you add these two squares, and also this one, and combine that to this. That's how big you have to do this math for. That's how kids can understand it. That's why he has asked a whole parent to explain this in not confusing way.
And that's how you solve those three-step linear equation. The last question, which is this, we have 3 open bracket, 5x plus 6 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Let me just write it, make it bigger. I would like you to try this. Is equal to 8 is equal to 3. I would like you to try that and then write your answer in the comment below.
Okay, let me see if I can answer this for you guys. Okay, 3. Okay. This one needs a posing of smartest brain to answer this question for you, because okay, I will. Calculator. Okay, I'm answering this question. So, okay. Okay. I'm just using my head to think this out. Guys, I'm so sorry it's taken this long, but I'm trying to figure it out. And I'm not gonna tell you the answer, but you can do it yourself. You can do the answer yourself. But I'm just going to I'm just gonna see if I can understand it. So please don't, please don't, please don't leave. Because I'm just figuring it out myself. I'm on this question. I think that's an E. But it's so that and we plus 6. So 3. But this the trust me, I will get the answer and I will put it in the comments. And okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna check his channel. Okay, just in case I miss any more things. So Mathos Emilio 71 subs. Guys, also subscribe to him. He needs to get more subs. And I also need subscribers too. So subscribe to me, please. I need it. I need it. I do need it. It says because I'm only got 20 deal. Check my channel. So I got like 8. So he got 8 views on that. He got 108. This is crazy. So guys, we're gonna check my channel. So here's my channel. Subscribe if you're a legend. I only got 22 subs and all of my channel looks good. Guys, I'll say bye bye. See you in the next video. Bees and Plays out.